Hi viewers, today we are going to learn how to improve the system performance. While system getting very slow, how to improve the system performance we are going to know right now. And one more thing, even your system having 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, high-end RAMs also, then also system getting very slow means maybe some services running in behind, or else you are using high-end graphics maybe. Then how to improve the system performance we are going to know right now. Just follow me. Go to my computer, right click on my computer, go to properties, right click on my computer, go to properties, and here your RAM will be appears over here, how much RAM your system having. Just remember this RAM size, and go to left side advanced system settings. One option is there, go to advanced system setting option, and then you will get one window that is called system properties. This is system properties window. Okay, in this third option advanced is there, click on advanced, and next go to performance settings. This is first setting, performance settings. This is called virtual memory. Click on it, and again one more window will be open. In this window, click advanced settings to second option, and you can see here virtual memory change. Okay, go to virtual memory change, click on change button. The virtual memory window will be appears here. We have to little bit discuss about this. This virtual memory, what it will do in background means while the system is becoming slow, that time processor and RAM will take some space from hard disk. Processor and RAM will take some space from hard disk as a RAM. Okay, that will be happen in background only. That is what here one option is there, automatically manage paging file size for all drives, paging file size for each drive, means all drives that size will be taken in which drive. We can select here by manually also. That is what, just remove the button. Sometimes it will works automatically, also it will work, sometimes it will not work. That is what, just remove the automatical button, and next go to here your my computer all drives will be appears over here. You can select any desired drive and go to here custom size. Two columns are there. In initial size, give 2 GB. Why? Because already we are remember that this system is having 2 GB RAM, 2048 1024 into 2048 RAM size. Otherwise you can give, if you are not understand how to how many MB 1 GB you don't know means, you can give 2000 also, no problem. And go to maximum file size. Here 2 GB multiplication, do multiply 2 GB into 2.5 means how much. Just go to calculator, and here type 2048 into 2.5 equal to 2048 into 2.5. Okay, 2048 into 2.5 equal to 5120. We have to give 5120. Okay, actual RAM size into 2.5 time means 2.5 times 5120. Otherwise you can give 5000 also, no problem. Okay, if you have 4 GB RAM means 4 GB RAM into 2.5 time means 10 GB, like that it will comes. Okay, then go to set button, but my system not accepting. Why? Because my system is very low motherboard, it is having old motherboard. That is what it is asking. Give 4096 below MB. Give 4096 means 4095 I am giving. set, automatically it will takes. Okay, but in new version, no, it will not ask like that. If you're having 4 GB, you can give 4 GB over here and multiply the 4 GB as 2.5 into 2.5 times, multiply and give you give that size over here and go to set and OK and OK and OK. Then it will ask to restart the system to effect the whatever modification have done. Why? Because already my system already done the virtualization improved, virtual memory improved. That is what it is not asking. Just restart the system and check the performance and give the comment. Thank you.